Hi, my name's Andrea. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today, I'm going to teach you how to solder a through-hole component. To begin with, you want to make sure that you're wearing safety glasses, which will be located over here. If you can't find them, please make sure to ask a FabLab monitor. You also want to make sure that you have no loose clothing and you're wearing long pants. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to solder this PCB and I'm going to put pin headers on this via. So first, you want to turn on the Fume extractor, which is located down there. And then you can articulate the Fume extractor so that they're pointing towards your working area, like this. Then you will turn the solder station with this button on top. Then you'll see how the solder iron starts heating up, and it'll beep whenever it's reached the desired temperature. After it reaches the desired temperature, you can tin the solder iron with this solder. So you feed the solder. Then you put it in the metal sponge to clean it. And you do it until it looks like this. After you have tinned it, you want to make sure that you have your component ready. So here are my pin heads that I will be positioning on this side. You want to make sure that they're straight. And then with the solder iron, you want to position it so that it's touching the via and the pin head, just like this. Then you're going to feed the solder and you see how the solder starts flowing towards the heated areas. And you do this with the whole via. And after you're done, you can put the iron back. But first, you have to tin it again. This is to protect the iron from oxidizing. Then you put it in the metal sponge. And then you can put it back in the stand. And then turn the solder station off with this same button you turned it on. Then you can turn the Fume extractor off. And that is how you solder a through-hole component.